Hi, my name's BJ, and I'm a blue shirt expert here at Best Buy. Today, I'm excited to be unboxing Meta's Portal Go. Let's go ahead and get started. First, simple slide here. Nice little packaging. Set that off to the side. Open it up. And you'll get your Portal Go right off the bat. Now, first thing that I noticed and I like about mine is the handle here that makes it easy to carry around. Next thing you get, you have your manuals here, a little bit of information about the Portal Go, your charging cable, and then your brick to plug it in here in the wall. Next thing you want to notice here on Meta Portal Go is the camera. This camera actually has a really cool feature, and they call it their smart camera, which helps keep you in focus and centered even as you move around. It comes in handy quite often either with our dog or our little one when we're calling grandma. The next thing I love is its portability. It has a long-lasting built-in battery, which means I can take this wherever I need it. Another great feature this has is its Bluetooth speakers and app capability. This means that I have the ability to either use its web browser and play cartoons or music to keep others entertained or have an impromptu dance party. The last thing is also its conference call capabilities. This means I can stay connected to my family that lives out of state and have the portability to take it out on the deck for my next conference call. Thank you for watching Meta Portal Go on Best Buy's Unboxed. My name's BJ, and we will see you next time.